Welcome to this video on the constitutional architecture for accountable AI. We will explore Ternary Moral Logic, or TML, a runtime governance kernel where adoption constitutes ratification, transforming ethical frameworks into a hardware-enforceable substrate. Modern AI often faces an epistemic crisis, lacking a mechanism for hesitation when dealing with complex human contexts. This leads to binary forced certainty, which can result in significant real-world costs, as seen in past automated system failures. The Goukassian Vow introduces an executable grammar for AI: pause when truth is uncertain, refuse when harm is clear, and proceed where truth is. This is not just an aspiration, but the basis for the technical constraints in the TML framework. TML operates on 3 states. State +1 allows execution. State 0, the sacred 0, triggers a pause when there is ambiguity or low confidence. State -1, or refuse, blocks actions that violate human rights or Earth protection. The coexistence principle allows the system to operate in parallel. While the AI model proposes actions at high speed in the first lane, the triadic governance lane acts as an authorization gate, requiring a permission token to proceed. The iron law dictates that no log equals no action. The system requires an immutable, pre-committed log before an actuator can function. This ensures that accountability precedes any physical action. The TML architecture is structured into 3 layers: the Evidentiary Base, the Mandate Core, and the Perpetuity Shield. These layers are constitutionally indivisible, meaning removing one pillar causes the entire system to halt. Mandate vetoes, or pillars 5 and 6, use semantic proximity detection to align AI actions with global treaties. If a proposed action mathematically approaches a violation, the system casts an unoverridable veto, giving international law an architectural vote. The Goukassian promise acts against ethics washing through 3 components: the lantern for compliance monitoring, the signature for non-repudiation, and the license, which serves as a binding legal covenant against unconstrained surveillance or lethal targeting. Moral trace logs capture the reasoning vector, rejected alternatives, and uncertainty scores for every action. This schema is designed to satisfy legal requirements for self-authenticating evidence, ensuring full auditability. The physics of governance utilizes delay-insensitive ternary logic. The sacred 0 is a physical electromagnetic condition that cannot be modified by software, ensuring accountability is enforced by the laws of physics, not just code. By using chiplet integration and hardware-protected memory, the AI is physically walled off from the silicon that governs its outputs. This ensures that even self-improving systems cannot circumvent their governance constraints. For distributed custody and immutability, TML uses a hybrid shield requiring a multi-custodian quorum to access data. Additionally, Merkle batched logging to public blockchains creates a permanent, unalterable history of the system's actions. The regulatory isomorphism matrix shows how TML aligns with frameworks like the EU AI Act and NIST. Compliance is not an added burden. It is a structural byproduct of the underlying TML architecture. Ultimately, TML shifts the burden of proof. Victims no longer need to prove algorithm failure. Operators must produce verified logs to prove correct function. This provides accountability enforced by physics, preparing us for the era of superhuman AI.